Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Today, we are going to discuss the third and the last part of our gut series, which is going to be very interesting because we are going to talk about gut and immunity, the connection between gut health and our immune system. So, gut is where the microbiomes and immune system meet. The immune system is a complex network of disease-fighting cells that protect the body from harmful antigens and toxins released by multiple pathogens, including bacteria, virus, parasites, and other microorganisms. 70% of the immune system is located in the gut. And so, keeping the gut healthy is crucial for the immune system to perform optimally. The gut microbiota that houses in the gastrointestinal tract has a major say in maintaining immune homeostasis and associated health outcomes. Before this, we have already talked about how gut microbiota is linked to inflammatory disorders, particularly obesity and diabetes type 2. In the second part, we have also talked about how gut health and mental health are closely connected, starting from anxiety to Alzheimer's disease. And today, as we are exploring the relationship between gut health and immunity, you would be surprised to know that if there is an alteration of gut microbial culture, then there is a huge surge of immune dysfunction, production of toxins, inflammation, and autoimmune disorders that is being observed by multiple research studies. A 2020 review, which is very recent, published in Nature, mentioned microbiome immune system crosstalk, that is the talk between immune system and gut microorganisms, is associated with a variety of non-communicable and autoimmune diseases, including inflammatory bowel disease, celiac disease, rheumatoid arthritis, metabolic syndrome, neurodegenerative disorders, and malignancy. Poor nutrition affects gut and immune system. Relationship between diet and immune system is bidirectional. What we eat every day has huge impact on inflammation, gut microbiome balance, gut barrier function, and disease outcome. A growing body of evidence explains the link between quality of diet, gut health, and immunity. A typical Western style diet usually contains a very high amount of trans fatty acids, refined carbohydrate, ultra processed foods, salt, additives, and lacks healthy food groups such as colorful vegetables, low sugar fruits, fish, protein, antioxidants. This type of diet, along with overeating and lack of physical activity, found to be linked with chronic inflammation that leads to non-communicable diseases and also alter the immune system. Ultra-processed food, as the name implies, are highly processed and deficient in multiple micronutrients, many of which, such as vitamin D, zinc, selenium, vitamin C, B vitamins, which are essential to optimum immune function. Sugary fruits and drinks, for example, cakes, candy, processed cereals, fruit juices, are linked to leaky gut syndrome, which I have explained in the first part. And this syndrome is directly associated to promoting growth of pathogens in gut, eliminates beneficial bacterial colony, adversely altered gut microbiota, thus promotes inflammation. Even excess added salt was found to trigger or worsen certain autoimmune disorders, including rheumatoid arthritis. Very recently, Muhammad Idir and colleagues addressed the importance of an adequate status of crucial nutrients to effectively reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, thereby strengthening the immune system during the COVID-19 crisis. Experts, scientists and researchers are trying to explore the role of gut health and gut health associated immunity even in COVID-19 disease outcome. The authors in this paper mentioned a poor diet was associated with increased level of inflammatory proteins, including tumor necrosis alpha, C-reactive protein, CRP. We have heard the term CRP a lot during the COVID-19 pandemic, and also interleukin 6. So, what to eat for a healthy gut and optimal immune system? Keeping the tummy happy is extremely important for well-functioning immune system. A diverse range of diets with colorful vegetables, low sugar whole fruits, beans, legumes, whole grains, proteins, and probiotics help maintain the diversity in gut microbiome culture. For example, people from rural regions of Africa and South America consume a diverse diet. Thus, they possess a better gut microbiome diversity than people from urban areas in Europe and United States, as reported by researchers from Italy as well as from United States of America. A Mediterranean style eating or Mediterranean diet is beneficial for gut and immune system. This diet is composed of multiple vegetables, legumes, nuts, fruits, whole grains, a lot of olive oil, fish, and other nutritious food that makes it rich in antioxidant, polyphenols, which is a very healthy plant nutrient, unsaturated fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Research have linked Mediterranean diet to protect against diseases caused by chronic low-grade inflammation, including cancer, diabetes, obesity, atherosclerosis, metabolic syndrome, and cognitive impairment. Following a long-term Mediterranean diet was demonstrated a beneficial modulation in gut microbial cultures in humans as well as in experimental animal models such as rodents. Mediterranean diet is also rich in fiber, which is an ideal food for the gut bacteria. Dietary fiber gets fermented by gut microbiome and produces short chain fatty acids. In fact, the role of short chain fatty acids are crucial in mental health issues as well, which we have explored in part 2. So these short chain fatty acids are acetate, propionate, and butyrate as end products produced by the gut microbiome. SCFAs or short chain fatty acids are crucial to modulate the immune response, maintain the immune defensive function of the intestinal epithelium. Eating more plant-based ensures adequate gut-friendly nutrients in daily diet. Plant-based flexitarian diets are high in fruits, green vegetables, olive oil, nut seeds, and some allowance of egg, fatty fish, and lean protein. These food groups are particularly rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, that is vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc, vitamin E, B6, B12, copper, selenium, zinc, iron, which are crucial to support optimum immune system. Plant-based diets are also rich in polyphenols, which is a beneficial plant compound that help lowering the blood sugar, blood pressure, inflammation, oxidative stress, and thus promote heart, brain, and gut health. Polyphenols directly reach to the gut and digested by gut bacteria, thus have beneficial role in modulating gut microbiota composition and function. Foods that are rich in polyphenol are green tea, almond, red grapes, onions, berries, broccoli, cocoa, and sugar-free dark chocolate. A 2020 study reported polyphenols from cocoa promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These are two health-friendly bacteria, while the polyphenol from cocoa found to be reducing the number of pathogenic ones, that is Clostridium perfringens, which is a very harmful bacteria. However, dark chocolate and other cocoa-containing foods are usually high in refined sugar and need to be eaten in moderation. Also, the amount needs to be taken into consideration. Probiotic foods are another excellent support for the gut health. Greek yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, these are the probiotic foods which are beneficial living organisms that exhibit a preventive and therapeutic effect by protecting gut lining, maintaining internal microbial balance, and host defense mechanisms, including innate and adaptive immune responses. So, to conclude, human gut is the home for talented microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiota, that are working synchronously with the human cells to produce maximum health benefits to the host. Gut microbiomes play a critical role in controlling almost all crucial physiological phenomena, including inflammation, metabolism, appetite, mood, neurological outcome, psychological disorders, metabolic syndromes, and immunity. Maintaining a healthy gut by eating diverse whole-based diet along with regular physical activity is recommended for optimum health promotion, prevent critical illnesses, and sound mental health.